So this is generally maps, how we configure the maps. We can even create a generic type collection, so with key and value references. Now this is an object. Object contains a key, number type, and a value string type. This type of collections we can configure, and we can use this collection here. Suppose I am printing that details. So I am printing the product related details. That means product have keys and values, and I want to print that. So just I am using another div here. And here I am defining an ordered list, or same how we want to present the data. In this div, I am using ng for. So let item. So here of this time, the collection is product. Product is an object, but object contains key value pair. Then we can apply a key value pair. We can apply a key value on that, and we can access item dot key, and we can access item dot value. I'm just defining that. I'm just generating a div and displaying those values in the div, and it should get that and display. This is the key and this is the value. That means we have to access the data from a collection, and we can separate and we can configure that. This is a general key value collection. So how we can manage the properties. Why this is introduced? Because we were having a problem in reading the properties of a collection in Angular UI. In Angular logic, we can do that by using foreign operator. But here we have a problem. That's the reason they have to introduce this new pipe. So this is one simple example of how do we do that. That means in the component, so pipe demo.component.ts. In the pipe demo component.ts, so we are adding this logic here. So this is the logic, just class I will give. Okay, this is having an object and a collection here. And how we can present that data, that is important. And that is done in pipe demo.component.html. We are presenting this data, presenting the data. This is an example how we can access and present. So this is a new pipe introduced into Angular, that is the key value pipe. Now some more new pipes introduced into Angular 9, and another very important is we have an I18N select pipe. Actually it is a select pipe. This is a pipe built by an open source community called I18. That's the reason we call this as I18 select pipe, right? That is named after them, because this is not originally designed by Google Angular team. It is developed by an open source community, and they have contributed to this Angular, and Angular uses all open source communities which are good and performing better for Angular application environment. So that's the reason it is named as I18N select pipe. Actually, it is a select pipe. That is the name because of the open source community who developed that. Actually, it is a generic selector that can make decision dynamically. That can make decision dynamically according to state of according to state or value and define the result when the relative condition matches. Relative condition matches. That is actually the purpose is. I will show you that. So how we can configure that here. Here the point is it is a generic selector. It can dynamically handle decisions. It can dynamically handle the decisions. And according to the decision making, it can apply the values as per the conditions. Generally, in order to do this, we need a combination of for, of, and if conditions. That means ng if and ng for combination we have to use. Iterations, conditions, dynamically we need to do that. Iterations and conditions we need to dynamically do by using for, of, and all. Right. Here the point is now reducing that level of conditions and iterations you can manage by using this pipe. I will show you a simple example here how we can manage the pipe. Suppose means how we can handle this pipe now. All right, let's take an empty one. Okay, and here that means lot of iterations and conditions we have to use earlier, because as per the condition it need to apply the value. Then I need to write a lot of conditions. So now avoiding the expressions and iterations, so we can simply manage this. How we can do that? How we can configure that? For example, over an iteration also we can define that, right? Actually, suppose I am creating a collection. So public, so products is a collection. This products collection is having a collection of objects. So name, so say name some Samsung TV like this. And here, so price, okay, so some price. And here we are defining, so city, shipper to. And I am defining some Delhi like this, shipper to Delhi. Means which city they have to ship to, that is Delhi. Okay. Similarly, another name, and here say some Nike casuals, and the price is some price, and shipped to. So this is Hyderabad. Okay. Now another one is so name and some shirt, and a price, some price, and here shipped to, and it is some other city, some Mumbai. Now important is I need to design a table for presenting this data. I need to show a table for presenting this data. So just create a table. So class as table, and a table hover. Okay. And t head and th, tr and th. So this is this is the name, and this is the price, and another so is city. So and another one shipped or delivery, right? So that is delivery. So that is how we are configuring delivery. Like we are defining this delivery time. So some time I have defined it. Now I need to generate a T body, and here we need to add T row.